In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and trade on Ctrader desktop for a prop firm account. We'll start by getting the platform. Download Ctrader desktop either from your prop firm's dashboard or directly from ctrader.com. Run the installer, follow the prompts, and open the app when it's finished. On the welcome screen, choose Log in with Ctrader ID and sign in using the email tied to your Ctrader profile. If you're new, you can create a Ctrader ID from the same window in just a couple of minutes, then log in. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and open your profile menu. Here you'll see any trading accounts linked to your Ctrader ID. Select the specific prop firm trading account you want to connect so your trades route to the correct environment. It's good practice to confirm the account name and balance before you proceed, especially if you manage multiple accounts. On the left sidebar, click Trade to open the trading workspace. If you have more than one prop firm account, use Switch Account to move between them. This view gives you quick access to symbols, charts, and order controls in one place. To bring up a market, right-click a symbol and choose New Chart. You can open several charts at once and arrange them to match your workflow. At the top of each chart, use the time frame buttons like 1mm, 5mm, or 1ah to switch perspectives. Short time frames help with precision entries, while higher time frames provide broader context for trend and structure. For technical analysis, click indicators at the top of the chart and add tools such as RSI or moving averages. Adjust the inputs, colors, and visibility so they align with your plan. Keeping your chart clean and purposeful helps you avoid analysis overload. When you're ready to place a trade, click New Order. Set your volume, then choose Buy or Sell to execute. After the trade is placed, you'll see stop loss and take profit lines on the chart. Drag these lines to fine-tune your risk to reward. Try to position your stop beyond a logical, technical level and place your take profit where the setup naturally completes rather than forcing a fixed ratio. To monitor everything in real time, open the positions panel at the bottom, review entries, floating P&L, and protection levels, and close any trade instantly by clicking the X on that position. Maintaining discipline here helps you stick to your plan. If algorithmic trading is part of your process, click Automate, also labeled CBOT, at the top. Load or run CBOTs as needed, but always confirm your prop firm's rules before using automation. Finally, click History to review your results. Study wins, losses, and overall performance so you can refine your approach and stay aligned with your prop firm objectives.